Everyone keeps showing you the same old ways to make money with high level. SaaS, affiliate marketing, selling websites, and the list goes on and on. But today, I'm going to show you 3 unknown ways to make money with high level that almost nobody talks about. And the crazy part is they have insane upside potential. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to jump right into this. And I want to let you know right away, this is not SaaS. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not selling websites, automations, calendars, or really any of that kind of stuff. These are really unknown ways, and these could be great for you if you're a shy person or you're just not into the normal agency stuff. Because these 3 ways, I haven't really seen these talked about anywhere else, and I've dipped into them, and well, I'm pretty shocked by what I've seen. I also want to let you know, I've been on high level a long time. I won the awards. I've even won the SaaS Platinum Award, okay? So I do know high level relatively well, and I will say, when I see good stuff, I like to share it with you guys. And the stuff I'm going to share with you today, it is pretty awesome. So we're going to start with number 1, because I think you're going to absolutely love it, and it is selling on GoHighLevel. So if you don't know what GoHighLevel is, it is very similar to school, okay? It's a place where you can sell courses, communities, the whole 9 yards. But the interesting about high level is because it has a CRM built in, there's so many other things you can sell. So what I ended up doing, okay, is I put my community on the GoHighLevel marketplace. I mean, you can even come in and type it in right here. If you type in high level, you will see right here, it pops up number 1, and it's mine. But also if we type in courses, mine pops up also. And the interesting thing about this is it's not just your community. Like I said before, you can list courses that then lead into products. So you got to see just how crazy this gets, because if you understand the high level dashboard and all the things you can offer, you can essentially give away not just a paid course, but a free course that brings people in as a lead magnet and sell them on other things. So this is just something I want to show you. This is my GoHighLevel courses account that I created recently. And you can see right here, I've been averaging, without really promoting this, just putting it on GoHighLevel and maybe having a link on my YouTube channel, not like actively promoting this. I've been averaging 16 grand a month. We can even go over to October. You'll click right here. As you see, we're clicking apply. It changes. I mean, it's close to 17 grand actually. And as you see in November, we were able to get 16, but this is from GoHighLevel. And again, I'm not promising this is going to happen to you. This is not what I'm doing here. This is just my results and what I'm seeing. But there's also a lot of other things that I haven't been able to add up that would be more than this, that all the free people that came in. Okay, so this is really powerful. And again, guys, I'm telling you, the fact that you can bring people in through the GoHighLevel platform and sell them other things, I'm seeing this as a huge money maker in the future. That's why I've gone all into GoHighLevel. And it's funny because so many people are like, why aren't you on school? It's like, because GoHighLevel, in my opinion, is much better. It's also attached to high level, so you have all these other things you can do. So now you're probably wondering, well, how do I do this? Because this looks pretty cool. Well, essentially, all you have to do is build a community or a course through high level. I have other videos I'll be linking at the end that will go through this in depth, so do not worry, I have you covered because they're longer. But all you'd have to do is build a community or a course, plug it in, then go to the GoHighLevel marketplace and go live. The GoHighLevel marketplace is this, but they've recently added the ability to put courses in there, like I told you before, so you can do either or. And I'm telling you guys, just like I showed you with the 16 grand I've been able to make, I haven't been promoting this. So if I promoted this harder and really plugged in more courses and more stuff and really brought in the community and done all this stuff, I don't even know what's possible. I mean, it's insane, because just these free courses I've been putting in have been doing really well. And if you can bring people in, you can structure this better, the sky is the limit. You just have to think, well, how will this work? Because it will work some way. You just have to think how. And if you plug it in properly and you do it the right way, man, you got a lot of free traffic. And as you already saw before, if we go to the homepage, they're like having Tony Robbins and all these big guys promote this, I believe. I mean, they're really putting a lot of effort into this to rival school. And in my opinion, it's much better. But if you're a shy person and you want to plug in a course and potentially make money just like passively by having it, this could be it. Again, no promises, no keys, but for me going on GoHighLevel and from what I've seen, it's been awesome. Like, it has been very good. And it's not just because, oh, well, I have the best community in the high level space. Obviously my opinion, but I got the stats to back it up. But it's because plugging in courses and doing all this other stuff can be a great lead magnet. So that is the first unknown way to make money, is using GoHighLevel and selling on it. If you guys have any questions about any of this at all, drop a comment right down below and I'll answer personally. Okay, we now move on to the second unknown way to make money with high level, which is selling either products, apps, or snapshots on the app marketplace. So the app marketplace is in all of our accounts. On agency view, it's right here. And then in sub account view, it's right here. And a lot of people don't know what it is, but a lot of people also think that the app marketplace is for developers just to put apps in that we can use. Not exactly true. There are a like a ton of different things you can sell on this marketplace. And I'll show you right now inside of my marketplace account right here, all of the stuff that you can sell. Okay, so some of the stuff like custom JS, custom pages, payment for hours, I'm not really into that, but you have stuff like AI chatbots you can sell. Okay, you can sell widgets, you can sell automations, you can sell snapshots, even voice AI agents. You guys can sell any of these things inside of the marketplace. And a lot of people do not know this. They have no clue you can do this. And here's the thing, a lot of you guys, and I know a lot of you in your community, you guys are rock stars at high level. You build out beautiful websites, beautiful snapshots. You build out these complicated automations. You do all this, and then you maybe use it for a client once, or it just sits in your account. Why not go in and create your marketplace account and start plugging this stuff into the marketplace and making money off it? I mean, you can see right here, there's a lot of downloads for this stuff. I mean, you can come into AI agents, so you're seeing there's a ton of people using this stuff. And a lot of the people that putting stuff in, well, they're not great. So it's like, if you come in with something great, this is a game changer. I even want to show you this. This was at the summit. They were giving out awards for building AI agents. You can see right here, this guy made, I think that's 13 grand. This guy made 16 grand. I mean, you can just look at these right here. 15 grand. I mean, these guys are getting checks for building AI as a contest. High Level was giving out checks for $15,000 for building AI agents. That had, the best use case, the best all this stuff, the marketplace, credibility, all this. And you can go in and do the same thing. Okay, so I have a video at the end of this video. I will link again. Don't worry, I have you covered. The reason I'm not going to go through step by step in this video is because it will take way too long. I'm just showing you your options first and then showing you how to build. So that'll be at the end. But all you got to do is create a free marketplace account on marketplace.gohighlevel.com. Again, we'll be at the end of this video to help you out. And you can really plug in any of this stuff. And in that video, I walk you through it. And then from there, you can put it on the marketplace, which is in all of our accounts. And here's the thing I want to say before I move on to the last one. This will only get better. High Level is growing so fast. I just want to make this really clear, really quick. I love High Level, okay? I won the awards. I love it. Very bullish on it. And I talk to the founders sometimes. I talk to the people that work inside. I know a lot of stuff that goes on with High Level, okay? They are growing at a really fast rate. And a lot of other eyes, a lot of other people are coming towards High Level, like at a rate that I've never seen before. This software is going to be huge. These things, okay, like Go Collab, the method I'll show you later, and stuff like that marketplace, and it's only going to be getting bigger from what I can see. So that's why you want to get in on this now, so you can basically get grandfathered in the system and you can be one of the early adopters. And then when it grows, well, it takes off. I mean, how many times have you heard people like, if only I invested in Microsoft stock when it was $2 or bought Bitcoin when it was $3? You hear these things. Well, this is one of them, okay? Again, you get in early and it just has massive upside potential. Obviously, I cannot predict the future, but I see trends and I'm going all in on this. So I think it's big. And stuff like that marketplace, you can hop on, create a free account and take all of the things that you've already built, your hard work, and plug them in right here. So yeah, I think it's going to be amazing. Also, if you want to learn more about this and High Level, I have a 30-day free trial link down below where you get access to me and a bunch of other stuff. So if you're interested in that, check that out. Okay, we move on to the third and final way to make money that no one talks about. And this one's a little more popular, but it's still very unknown. And I think this is one of the best things High Level's ever done. And I wish, I had this when I first got started. And that is the High Level certification program. So the High Level certification is basically you getting certified as an admin, then getting put into High Level's directory so you then can get found by business owners and people wanting stuff with High Level. I am very jealous that I did not have this when I first got started, because if I could have gotten into the High Level certification, this existed back when I first got started, none of you would have stood a chance against me. Like, there's all these tools that make it so much easier. Like, I know some of you guys will come in and you'll be like, oh, this is not that cool, or this stuff isn't that cool, but like, you should have been there when I started. Like, we didn't have half of the things that you guys have. It's just so much easier. This is one of those things that is amazing. So essentially what this is a certification you get, but what they do on top of that, other than training you on High Level and helping you become really good once you pass the test, because you have to pass, you then get access to this directory where you get plugged into it, okay, and people can find you based on certain things like, what credentials you have, what can you build out, what services do you offer, what industries. There's even like a whole review system. And what's crazy is I know people in this group that are killing it with the High Level certification program. Killing it. I mean, I even interviewed Alicia, the director. You can watch this video, it'll be linked at the end. I have interviewed her on this, and she was showing me some charts here about the leads that came in 2024 and all this stuff. And it's only getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And they say 2026 is going to be huge, but it is insane. insane. There are people legitimately in here selling whatever you want to sell or offering your consultation, whatever you want to sell on High Level, that are getting put in this directory and getting found by business owners. They're not doing any outreach and literally getting cash hand over fist. Not even kidding you. The stories I have heard from this are insane. Again, you have to actually optimize your profile and do stuff. It's not like you just are guaranteed anything. And nothing is guaranteed. You have to work hard. But from what I've seen, people are getting in. I mean, I had a student in my community get in here, and it was like after like a day of joining, she had like 2 or 3 leads or something like. I was like, what? Where was this when I got started? Like, this is amazing. And again, this video will be linked at the end, but I talked to Alicia and I bring up these questions. She's showing me charts and real data on the amount of, leads that are coming in and all this crazy stuff. And it's like, this is legit. Like, this is a legit way to make money. And if you're wondering like, well, what do I sell if I get certified? It can be whatever you want. I mean, some of these guys are talking about ads, funnels, AI. I mean, you're just kind of on there talking about stuff, going over stuff. It's up to you. You could be a full-time consultant, but some of these guys are getting in, and what they're doing is they're basically just getting listed. They're getting high up ranked so that when people look, they're getting a flow of leads coming towards them. So either way, this is unbelievably powerful. I'm recommending as many people to get certified as possible. I think this is an absolute game changer. And I think this could be the thing that changes everything for you. Because if I had this when I first got started, would have been on it in a heartbeat. I'm actually planning to get certified here in a bit because I think this really is incredible. But this is something that is just, it's unfair if you get it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this was good. Again, I hope some of these you didn't know. I think these are incredible ways. They've been tested. I've seen them. They're awesome. And I think they could really help you. If you have any questions at all about anything, drop them in the comments down below. I will answer them personally. Also, if you're interested in High Level and you want all of my bonuses, help from me, snapshots, live coaching calls, courses, all this stuff for free, I have that 30-day free trial link of High Level down below. You can check it out if you want to. I think you'll really like it. You just click the link down below. But more importantly, I'm going to link videos at the end of this video. They're going to be the High Level certification program, selling courses, app marketplace stuff. So you can check this out and then really learn like a hands-on how to get started on this. Or you drop a comment and I'll guide you. But it's really important if you really want to move forward with this stuff that you get in on it now before it's too big. Okay, because this is the stuff I see all the time. People wait too long. They sit on the fence. They mentally masturbate. They don't actually do the thing they know they need to do. And then stuff gets too big, too quick, and then it's too late. You want to take advantage of this stuff now while you can because it's in its infant stage. So if you guys have any questions, drop them down below. Check out that link. And most importantly, watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.